Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to convert an image to 300 DPI. Let's get started. To start, import the image you wish to use into Canva. After importing your image and making any necessary adjustments, download it as a high-quality PDF for print. To do this, click on Share, then select Download. In the File Type drop-down menu, choose PDF Print and proceed to download it. This will create a great quality fit for printing purposes. After downloading this PDF, go to this website called pdf2jpg.net and upload the PDF here to convert to JPG with the 300 DPI option under this drop-down here. Click on it and choose Excellent. Then click on Convert PDF to JPG. Okay, so this is now converted. Click on this download link to download that image file. This method ensures that we convert the image to 300 DPI while preserving the aspect ratios, maintaining the quality obtained from the high-quality PDF generated using Canva. Additionally, I'm also converting the same image from JPEG to 300 DPI manually using the website convert.town. Simply click on Choose to upload the image. Now, let's compare these two images. Here's the distinction between the two results. One with the simple metadata alteration, and the other with the high-quality, realistic 300 DP converted image. Additionally, if you examine the metadata properties within the file properties, you'll notice that it's set to 300 DPI. That's all for now. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.